Welcome to The Man in the Middle. I am your host, Bill West. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video from Mecha Warehouse. Did one last week. We're going to be doing another one this week. It's nice how that works out. All right. Can't remember exactly what I have, but we will take a look. I think it's another Zaku and a jam sniper. I'm not sure. And, oh, we have a purple sticker this time. I think we got red, blue, orange, now purple. Okay. Okay, first one is a prototype Gouf. It's from Mobile Suit Discovery, or Gundam The Origin, from this kit. Pardon me, nose itch. This kit is from 2015. Screw. Sprues. More sprues. Okay. This is, the YMS 07B0 prototype Gouf tactical demonstrator from the Principality of Zeon. It's a prototype. There's some really nice pictures of the completed suit. Yeah. Just show the colored parts. We don't really. I mean, it's really nice. This way, there we go. Yeah, I really like the Neo Zeon, the enemy suits, I guess, from Gundam, rather than the Gundams themselves. There are a couple of Gundams I like. Heavy Arms is one. Actually, most of the ones from Gundam Wing. Death Scythe, Soundrock. Okay. This is also from The Origin. There's a Zaku 2, high mobility type. I have more Zakus than anything in my collection. Sprue. Sprue. More sprues. Okay. There's the instructions. Let's straighten this out real quick. Alright. There we go. It's the MS606R1A Zaku 2 high mobility type. Principality Zeon black Tri-Stars use mobile suit. I mean, this is really nice looking. I like the coloring on this. I mean, I could do that with some of the Zakus I have, but this is really nice. I like the bazooka. I mean, the sniper rifle's okay, but I really like the bazooka, so I think that's how, when I decide to build it, that's how I'm going to do it. Looks like there's two different pilots for this one. But like I said, you know, that's there. Or maybe three different pilots. Some pictures from the anime. Some, you know, weapons. The two different, you know, sniper rifle or the bazooka. All right, that's it for today. You know, really short unboxing. As always, from Mecha Warehouse. Well, not always. I get most of my kits from Mecha Warehouse, but not all of them. He sent a little card, you know, thank you card. We appreciate your business and hope you enjoy your purchase. We'd love to see your work. Feel free to, you know, tag at Mecha Warehouse. All right. Happened to come in really nice. Today's my birthday, so this is my birthday present to me. Oh, okay. All right. You guys take care. I hope you enjoyed this just real quick video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate your help. We just broke 250 this week, and I'm looking forward to the next 50. Next one is next milestone is 300, or maybe 275 and then 300. I like to hit 300 by the end of the year. So I appreciate your help on that. I'm Bill. I am the man in the middle. I hope you had a great day. Talk to you again soon. Bye.